The Average Directional Index, ADX, is a tool used in technical analysis to measure the strength of a trend. Along with identifying the strength of the trend, this indicator is accompanied with two other lines, negative directional indicator, DI, in red, and the positive directional indicator, plus DI, in green. Components of ADX. If you were to load the ADX on your chart, you would see three separate lines for the ADX indicator. The blue lines represent the ADX, which measures the strength of a trend. An ADX reading of 25 or above shows that a strong trend is present, whereas an ADX reading of less than 25 shows the trend is weak. While traders generally use 25 as a benchmark for the ADX reading to determine if a trend is present, the numbers can be changed to a higher or lower number depending on your preference. A higher number filters out the noise further, although they might signal the presence of a trend much later when compared to a lower number being used as the ADX benchmark. Apart from the ADX line, we also have the plus DI lines shown in green, as well as the DI lines in red. The plus DI line represents upward momentum, while the DI line represents downward momentum. Looking at the chart below, we can see that when ADX blue line crosses above 25, it means there is a trend present. At the same time, the plus DI, green line, is above the DI, red line, which means that the upward momentum is stronger than the downward momentum, where we saw prices trend higher after. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next trading tips. And if you're ready to take your trading seriously, check the link in the description.